The secret weapon.
Beautiful. Thank you. What is that?
It's just a little glister sort of pheasant tail, heron copper type. Sitting at the vise, couldn't be bothered going to the other room to get any more material, so I just made use of what I had. Works a treat. I know the fish hasn't seen these before.
Alright, well.
Beautifully done. How easy is that, New Zealand? Beautiful fish, good bend in the rod, nice fish thumping. I'm going to go on and look at netting this fish. We'll be back shortly. Tim, a couple of minutes into it, buddy. Lift him up for me.
Alright, how about that?
How's that? Beautiful 4.5 pound New Zealand brown trout. Gorgeous. Well, a nice little drift up the edge there, and something came and nabbed our fly. Very nice fish. I'm going to come down with the net. Not quite ready.
Oh, he's off. Oh, nice job.
There's a cheeky net shot.
So Chris, where are we going?
We're heading to a secret little river that we're about to blindfold you and tie your hands behind your backs so there's no way you can identify it.
Okay.
It's by the bridge near the trees.
Okay, good.
and there's a couple of fish there.
Okay, good. All right.
Let's go for it.
How's the river look, Chris?